through it. The SDG, what we call it. Now, when we say SDG, we are trying to teach students how you can do different things with the current situation that we are in.
Diya Banerjee, the principal here of Orchids International School, South City 1.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Pranay. I'm the business head for North Zone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jimmy Ahuja, and I'm the head of STEM.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Like we always say, Orchids has always been in the forefront to give the best opportunities to the students to exhibit their talent, enhance their skill, and basically get apply the knowledge that they have learned, the conceptual knowledge that they have learned in their curriculum in the real life. Our curriculum has been always focused on application, conceptual clarity and application, and opportunities like Mechathlon. We partnered with Mechathlon for an international level competition, basically focusing on robotics and science projects. So ये एक opportunity देता है students के लिए अपना talent और skill exhibit करने के लिए, and it's also about how they understand the concepts and they are capable of applying it in real life. जो आप models देखेंगे और जो robotics या science के models देखेंगे, it's all application of the concepts that they learned. Age is not actually the bar. जो आप बड़े होने के बाद when they actually work, whatever they apply, they are actually applying the same concepts and bringing the applications to the forefront at a very young age. So Orchids has grown to more than 100 plus branches in India right now, and this has been our forte. We have been pioneering on a lot of new initiatives, and Mechathlon is a platform not just for the Orchid students but even non-Orchid students who are already registered, and this is a novel and first of a kind competition conducted in India. I see a lot of familiar faces. So earlier we were met for Go Cosmos, which was based on astronomy. Now it's on the science and robotics theme. So one thing I can promise, we are here to revolutionize the way the education is being taken up in India. And I'm sure students as well as parents and the society on the whole will definitely get benefited from this.
Of the participants were also from NGO. There are schools which are non-profitable organizations that are running. So some of the they have also
So in Chennai, we have
reached us.
Very schools which are just like Vidyasagar school kind of schools, which are very nominal fees and so you can't say like completely government, but a very normal school that you find which are relevant to the same government fee structure, but they have participated. And there are different schools also.
And the fee is also very nominal. It's 300 rupees. It's not a very huge amount that Mechathlon is charging for it. The registration amount is also very nominal.
I am Pranay. I am the business head for North Zone.
जो कार्यक्रम है, क्या कार्यक्रम है, इसका थोड़ा डिटेल बता दीजिएगा।
ये कार्यक्रम है Mechathlon कॉन्टेस्ट। Mechathlon कॉन्टेस्ट जो है वो रोबोटिक्स और साइंस बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स कॉन्टेस्ट है। यहाँ पे 100 से ज़्यादा स्कूल्स पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं, ऑर्किड्स और नॉन ऑर्किड्स। जो हमारा स्टार्टिंग से आइडिया फिलॉसफी है वो है कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स और उसका एप्लीकेशन, उस कॉन्सेप्ट का एप्लीकेशन इन रियल लाइफ। तो ये कॉन्टेस्ट जो है ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट है ये बच्चों का जो स्किल रहता है एप्लीकेशन का, जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ते हैं उनका कैसे कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं ज़िंदगी में, उसके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म है। बड़े होने तक वेट नहीं कर सकते। अभी ये जो बीज है इनोवेशन और क्रिएटिविटी का, वो बीज उनके दिमाग में अभी से डालेंगे तो और आगे जाके वो नर्चर होगा और बड़े होके वो स्टार्स होगा।
कहाँ से बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं?
ये जो अभी कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा है वो सेमीफाइनल राउंड है, जो जोनल राउंड रहेगा। ये अलग अलग शहरों में हम कर रहे हैं। अगर हम गुड़गांव का ही देखते हैं तो ऑलमोस्ट 100 से ज़्यादा स्कूल्स अभी पार्टिसिपेट किए हैं। हर शहर में ऐसे ही अलग अलग स्कूल्स के से टीम्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। अभी आज मुंबई और गुड़गांव में हो रहा है, इससे पहले बेंगलोर और चेन्नई में हो गया है, और ऐसे हम बाकी शहरों में भी करेंगे। इसका फाइनल
बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया
फ्रॉम ग्रेड 6 to grade 12 यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेट किया।